PunchOut Catalog by Hannah Biker. Did you know, with a PunchOut catalog, companies can reduce procurement process costs by up to 80% while also streamlining sourcing, ordering, and compliance. What is a PunchOut catalog? A PunchOut allows buyers to access a supplier's online catalog directly from their eProcurement or ERP system. They shop in real time and send the cart back for approval. The connection remains active in the background, secure and seamless. So, who needs a PunchOut catalog? Large customers with many order lines. Suppliers with frequently changing product portfolios. Suppliers offering compliance-critical product groups. What are the benefits? Cost reduction and time savings. Error reduction by 45 to 60%. Fewer order corrections and returns. Approval workflows shortened by 1 to 3 days. Predefined customer prices, commodity codes, currencies, etc. No need for manual data entry or quote requests. Accuracy and security. Always up-to-date pricing and availability. Enhanced compliance and cost control. Purchases stay within company-approved procurement workflows. So, how it works? With a PunchOut, customers and users temporarily leave or punch out from company's application to access the supplier's web-based catalog, where they can locate and order products. PunchOut interfaces rely on widely supported standards like Open Catalog Interface, developed by SAP, Commerce Extensible Markup Language. A PunchOut allows users to access a supplier's online catalog directly from the eProcurement or ERP system. Instead of manually entering order details, users can browse the catalog in real time, select products, and transfer shopping cart back into their procurement system for approval and order processing. The difference from a B2C webshop is that the cart goes back to customer's ERP and an order is initiated from there. Another difference is that supplier's database saves not customers' data and items purchased but complete session with login, cart and order documents. You can cooperate with an external e-procurement company or marketplace to establish a PunchOut connection. Usually marketplaces support either OCI or CXML standards, or they also work with hosted catalogs in the BME CAT version. The PunchOut enablement can take from a few hours to a couple of months. It depends merely on which ERP systems have supplier and customer, on communication standard and third-party marketplace. For example, SAP Ariba costs more time than Coupa and CXML is quicker to implement than OCI because its flexibility. Interested in further information or in-house training? Send me contact request.